channel. If this is your first time here, I am Curly Quante, and over here you get a little bit of this and a whole lot of me, girl. So it's Saturday and the seasonal allergies have been kicking my butt this week, which is why I have not uploaded a video in over a week. I finally got some relief and I feel the tension relieving up behind my eye. I got some Flonase today. But yeah, I'm not doing anything. I'm in the house. Y'all, I bought this wine from Trader Joe's the other day. Let me show y'all. And this wine was $5.99. It's Moscato. And it says low alcohol wine. So when I got it, I was like, dang, he didn't even ask for my ID, is what I said when I was leaving out the store. And then when I opened it at home and I saw low alcohol, I was like, so is this like a spritzer? Am I not gonna get a little buzz? But I get a little buzz from this, but not like a drunk buzz, because I'm almost done with the bottle. And this is my second today. So I had one, then two today, and I just got one more glass. So, but yeah, I'm about to make me the burrito tacos from Trader Joe's. I got me some tortillas, some salsa, and some cheese. And yeah, that's what we're gonna eat tonight. Y'all, I ended up making like mini quesadillas. I got some cheese. I don't know why I'm so lightheaded all of a sudden. I got some dip. Hey y'all, what's up? Jazz just came over and we're about to go and get something to eat and hang out. This is a fit for the day. I have on a Corvette graphic tee, my these Jordans cream sweats, H&M. Normally I drive, but I said, you driving? And she's like, I can. She left the keys in the house, so she had to go in the house to get the keys so she could drive. And then her car clean. She don't want to drive. Car all clean and stuff. What? Use other door overflow. Dad, you saw that from way back there? That's why, because it's flimsy. Oh, we're just looking. Those 270s is fresh though. It is so warm and eerily tornado-y. It's tornado-y. Like it's coming at any moment. Y'all, this food's so good. I'm mad because I really want to dig into my shrimp part of it. So y'all, I told Jazz my vision for my closet, and she's like, ooh, I love doing stuff like that. I want to organize the closet. Look, I got stuff everywhere. I just feel like I could do better than this. I feel like this is just atrocious. It's just getting to the point where it's just too much. So what I was thinking was, so why am I getting already anxious? Okay, step one is take everything out, right? Like everything. Well, you assess first. So, oh my god, it's not bad. It just need what? A little bit. You gotta decide where you gonna put it. Where do you want your purses? Where do you want? I want the purses and everything to stay up top. Right. It's just I feel like all of this is me constantly digging through stuff. So I guess I need to figure out. Like that's a good place for all your dresses. So they can hang. But it's a shelf under there. Oh, that's what I'm saying. What you're saying. It's a whole shelf right there. So that's why I was figuring if pants are hung there. Or maybe shirts. I don't know, but it's a shelf right there. And this corner is piling up with stuff. This is an early in the day task. God damn. When you're laying stuff out, start separating when you're laying it out. Girl, I'm putting too much thought into it now. Oh, we're gonna be buttoning up. Oh, that's okay. Alright, let's go. Dresses. That's legit. Shit up, I said, I need some music. I'm low down, I ain't with savages, don't bring your whole round. I'm going bougie, I'm switching my profile. All of my cars get delivered with no mouth. They think they do and we don't, I don't know how. Run through.
What ain't no way I made a way. Called my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made a way. Called my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. Ball on the fade away. Hey. On my mama, I'ma need all them commas. Tell them I'll stall that drummer. Long term smoke like an all day sauna. Fried with the on none. Feeling like my my lungs and I'm feeling like y'all too, man. I don't care what y'all do, better have my check with enthusiasm. Finna make a cool get moody at them. I'm a whole trip, I'm an expedition. Play it once, better get an extra listen. Cool as an unused pillar side, we vilify, but we still a ride. It ain't no Pepto. Made plays with the petro, talking to a doer, not a preacher. Booming in the street like I'm booming in the speaker. Truest in the game, still a student and a teacher. With a like a state trooper. Grown blame you a late bloomer. Fly as a young ought to be my feature price like a law degree. I make real anthems, turn foes into phantoms, turn words to a good life. Really is what it look like. Got a shook like, hit 'em with the hook like.
What ain't no way, I made a way. Called my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way, I made the way. Called my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fade away, ayy, ayy. Ball on the fade away, ayy. Ball on the fade away, ayy. Ball on the fade away, ayy, ayy. Ball on the
Yeah, tryna get a new S4, keep it low key, swift. I gotta move, let's know. Hop up in the smooth press, go every stoplight, making sure my tune turned on. Could never go broke, tryna chase no Jones. By every move I make, they trace my phone.
Y'all, I pulled this box down at the top of my closet, and it's fresh sets of flip-flops from Old Navy. The $1 flip-flops. Never worn. I'm set for... I'm set. That's it right there. I don't even wear sandals like that no more. Yeah, this don't work. This was my it might work, my iPad just don't work no more. But considering that I have not used this in the 8 years that I've been living here, I think I used to last time I used it, it's been about 7 years for real. I think in the spirit of purge, and I need to get rid of this. What say you? Probably plug it up in the bathroom. I think it works. I think it's the other. Shit. Y'all, this shit done got real. We down to the studs now. When I say dusty. Woo. Y'all. I called Jazz saying, under her breath. I said, say what? She like, huh? She didn't even think I heard her. Just judgmental. Okay. Looks like we may be onto something. So we have all the sweaters right here. Jeans at the bottom. Dresses all right here. I even ended up with a little corner, which allowed more space for shoes. More shoes at the top. Then we have bags here. Then we have more shoes up there. My luggage in the middle. Jazz says the goal is to not have anything on the floor. Don't know how long this is gonna last, but I'm very, very optimistic at this point. And over here, like tucked, I have like linen and boots because it's changing of the season. So this is perfect time to do this closet reorganization. I appreciate her so much. Oh my God, y'all. I am so excited about this closet. Jazz's help has been, oh my God, such a relief today. Y'all, it looks so good. She said the goal is not to have anything on the floor. I don't know if I already recorded this or not, but I have to make sure that I get a good shot again before I close the night out, because everything has a space. And I feel like it's so neat. And I know if I'm looking for a particular sweater, I can go straight to the sweaters. If I'm looking for the pants, and for my jeans, I have 2 pair on each hanger. So it really doesn't look like it's a lot, but it is quite a bit of jeans down there. And my shoes, I'm just so excited. So yeah, I love my refreshed spring cleaned closet.